Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use DaVinci AI image generator. First of all you have to do is open your web browser on your phone or on your PC or laptop, and on the URL section you have to type davinci.ai and the website will open. You have to click on try it for free, and then it will ask you to create account. You have to create account, or you can also sign in with your Google account. Now after that you have to click on, once you've signed in, click on launch app. Now you will see this interface. This is the main interface of DaVinci AI. Now you have different options. You have styles. You can select any styles. Some of the styles need pro subscriptions. For example, this DaVinci Ultra and Prophecy. And from here you can also select the models, DaVinci Ultra and SDXL. You can also select the aspect ratio of your photo that you want to generate. And on the free section, if you do not have a subscription, then you will only get 3 credits. So to get started, you can also click on Surprise Me. It will generate you a random image, whether you can like it or not. Just click on Surprise Me. As you can see, it has entered a prompt, Viking North, Druid Lich, or something like that. I will click again on Surprise Me. It will change the prompt. So if I click on Generate, let's see what it will make for us. As you can see, it has generated 3 images, but in the free section, I will only get 1 image. And if I want to unlock everything, then I will need a pro subscription. So I will click on the image. As you can see, it is looking pretty good and nice and fine, and doesn't have any sort of distortion of AI images like it is generated by AI. It is looking professional. So I can either click on download or I can save it on my account. So let's type in any prompt, how it will react with our own created prompts. So I was looking to create a logo for my YouTube channel. So I have entered a prompt called retro car logo, round, beautiful, 3D, realistic. You can add multiple things, and then I will click on generate. Let's see what it will make. As you can see, it has created me a lot of different images. I didn't mean that, but I can use this single image and create multiple logos from each of the image, and that's very clever of DaVinci Resolve. I have only got 1 image, 1 credit, but I can use 9 different or maybe 12 different logos, and as you can see, all look professional. So that's basically how you can use DaVinci AI image generator. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.